Well, this segment is brought to you by TUI Garden Products.
With spring upon us, it's the perfect season to get back into gardening, but your patch may need some attention.
So, that's my cue. So we're heading into the garden with friend of the show, Lucas de Jong. Lucas, good morning.
Good morning, guys. And it is. It's the perfect time to get stuck into your garden. Maybe not 6 a.m. on a Friday morning is not the perfect time to get stuck in, but spring is. This is the time to do it. And check out the beautiful garden we have prepared for you that we're going to be following over the next 3 months on this show, giving you some tips, seeing some hints and tricks, and also following the growth, seeing what happens with the results when we can actually get some stuff out of it as well. It didn't always look like this, though. Once upon a time, it was a little bit more overgrown. We had to get stuck in to get it sorted. How are you feeling about the sort of the soil and the condition of it right now, Han?
Look, I'm actually really surprised at how much activity's in the soil. I think we've got a good start here.
Some of these are quite persistent weeds. What should be the plan of attack with that?
I think digging it out as much as we can, getting all those bulbs and kind of those real big roots out. Right, let's get stuck in, Leanne.
We're going to give a little bit of love to the soil too, right?
We'll add some compost, so you know that's some organic matter that will really just help enrich the soil. Add some structure, some organic matter, some microbes, and we'll also add some sheep pellets. Those are perfect for adding organic nutrients to the soil. It's got a good fertilizer base, a nice natural option as well, just really enriching the soil.
So there you go, there's one we prepared earlier. And we have had, it's all been prepared. We've fed that soil up. Yes. Are we feeding the soil or are we feeding the plants?
Look, it's important to do both, but here we've really enriched that soil to start out. A good base is where it all starts. So as you can see, we've got some really rich organic matter in here. We've chucked some TUI compost, sheep pellets, some veggie mix. So it's, looking really great for us to start out here.
Now, Hannah, you are our TUI expert today. You're going to be giving us all sorts of tips and tricks, but you've also got a plan.
We have a plan.
Tell me about the plan.
It's really important to plan. So we have talked to the homeowners here. So we've just planned out a map with things that they really like to eat. So we've got some herbs here. They love to cook. So we've got some herbs. We've got some salad greens. And these are things that they like. So remember, when you're planning your garden, think about things that you like to eat. We've got some strawberries. Obviously, everyone loves a strawberry, especially at Christmas time. And you'll see those fruit later. And we've got some more later cropping fruit as well. And these are more winter veggies, kitchen staples, which we've put in there for the homeowners too. So, some beetroot, some chilies.
One courgette plant, because any more than one, you're going to be supplying the entire neighbourhood.
Exactly, exactly. You've got to feed for where you live and who's in your home, so making sure.
And hey, I wanted to reference this giant blank space behind you as well, because people at this time of year, they love to jump the gun, don't they?
Yes, they do. It's really exciting to get everything in the garden right now, but you have to wait for the perfect time. We've planned our garden here. We're going to put tomatoes in next month. So.
Tomatoes, awesome, mate. Honestly, the amount of stories you hear from people that they put them in early and it was great, way more die. So, hey, Hannah, thank you so much. Our TUI expert, she'll be here later on. We'll follow through the morning and do some awesome planting, including Christmas potatoes.
Yes. Nice.
Brilliant, Lucas. Thank you. Look forward to seeing you later on in the show. We'll meet with